Samsung will unveil its next top-tier smartphone in less than 2 months. Certain facts about the incoming phone have already leaked, promising enhancements like more RAM. However, a fresh rumor contradicts these claims, claiming that the RAM boost may not occur at all. A reliable source, Ice Universe, revealed details regarding Samsung's next phones. Even if you choose a more costly model, the standard Galaxy S24 is expected to include 8 GB of RAM. Although the Galaxy S24 Plus will feature 12 GB of RAM as an option, the standard model will still have 8 GB. The basic model of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, according to the report, will feature 8 GB of RAM, while the upper-tier model would have 12 GB. If this information is correct, it may not be good for Samsung's reputation. Consumers will be upset if Samsung continues to use less RAM in its top phones for 4 years in a row. This is a concern since these phones are meant to feature on-device AI, which requires additional memory. It appears even worse when compared to other Android phones from various companies, which provide 16 GB or even 24 GB of RAM, making Samsung seem like it is cutting corners. In India, Vietnam, and now the United States, the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and A24 Ultra just achieved certification. The FCC certification assures they fulfill regulations for connection and radiation levels. This is a significant step ahead, and the exact model is authorized for use in the United States is mentioned. The Galaxy S24 phones will be available worldwide, including in regions like Africa, Australia, Europe, and Latin America. The worldwide S24 and S24 Plus are believed to contain the Exynos 2400 CPU, however the versions in Canada, China, and the United States will have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor is expected to be found throughout the S24 Ultra. If you don't like Exynos, you may want to go for the top-tier S24 model. The Galaxy S24 Ultra is coming soon. Finally, what are your thoughts? So, without further ado, please share your thoughts in the comments section below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.